Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. On this video we are gonna look how we can enable the shipment notifications on Tool4seller app. For that, just open the Tool4seller app. After opening the app, here we can see the me option or our profile option on the bottom right corner. Here we need to just tap on the bottom right corner. When we reach here we can see the notification setting option. On the right side of the manage marketplaces option, we can see the notification setting option. Just tap on the notification setting option. Here we can see the shipment notification right there. Just tap on the shipment notification, and here we can see the just you can see the all stores option. Just tap on it. This is how we're gonna enable the shipment notification on Tool4seller app. I hope this video was useful for you. Just do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.